Welcome to Towns at South Main, a luxury townhome community nestled in the heart of downtown Kennesaw, named Georgia's best city to live in by USA Today in 2024. Imagine living in a community where urban convenience meets small-town charm. Steps away, you'll find a world of shopping and dining, year-round festivals, and an entertainment district where you can sip and stroll through your favorite spots. Enjoy unforgettable evenings at Kennesaw's brand new amphitheater, or take in a leisurely walk along the interconnected trails that weave through this vibrant community. Towns at South Main is comprised of only 44 townhomes and is part of a mixed-use development featuring shops, restaurants, and more. Each three-level townhome includes standout details such as quartz or granite countertops, finished terrace levels, elegant owner suites, lofty ceilings, and spacious back decks. Perfectly located near Kennesaw State University, Wellstar Kennestone Hospital, and major thoroughfares, Towns at South Main is your gateway to work, play, and everything in between. Experience an altogether more lifestyle at Towns at South Main. Luxury living, unmatched convenience. Welcome home.